Hey kids, welcome to our amazing solar system. Let's take a fun trip to meet all the planets, one by one. There are 8 planets that orbit around the Sun. Each one is unique and exciting. First up is Mercury. It's the smallest planet and closest to the Sun. Mercury is super hot during the day, but at night it gets very, very cold. Next is Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. It's covered with thick yellow clouds, and it's even hotter than Mercury. Now, here's Earth, our beautiful home. It's the only planet where we know for sure that there are living things, like plants, animals, and us. Earth is just the right temperature for all life. Over here is Mars, the red planet. Mars looks a bit dusty and red, doesn't it? Some scientists think that there was water on Mars a long, long time ago. Maybe even life. Wow, look at Jupiter. It's the biggest planet, and it's so huge that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Now, check out Saturn with its amazing rings. These rings are made of ice and rock, and Saturn is another giant planet. Isn't it beautiful? Here's Uranus. It's a little different because it spins on its side. Uranus is light blue and super cold because it's so far from the Sun. Last but not least, here's Neptune, the windy planet. Neptune is dark blue, and the winds here are faster than a jet plane. It's the farthest planet from the Sun, so it's very, very cold. Wow, we've met all the planets in our solar system. Remember, the Sun is at the center, and all the planets orbit, or go around it. Now, can you help me guess all the planets one by one? Let's start.
Who I am.
Mercury.
Who I am.
Venus.
Who I am.
Earth.
Who I am.
Mars.
Who I am.
Jupiter.
Who I am.
Saturn.
Who I am.
Uranus.
Who I am.
Neptune. Thanks for joining our space adventure. See you next time, and don't forget to share the video and subscribe to our channel.